Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma lauded the Bharatiya Janata Party's journey and the expanding footprint across the Assam and the nation on the occasion of the party's 46th Foundation Day. Today, here we are bringing you the full details. BJP gains people's trust and strengthening presence in Assam. BJP and NDA user in a new era of governance. Prime Minister Modi's third term is an unprecedented success. BJP NDA governments are in power in 21 Indian states. CM Sharma congratulates BJP workers for the party's success. Yes, viewers, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma today lauded the Bharatiya Janata Party's journey and its expanding footprint across Assam and the nation on the occasion of the party's 46th Foundation Day today. While addressing to media in Guwahati, he highlighted the party's population in Assam. He stated that BJP has earned the trust of the people here as well, and we continue to strengthen our presence in every corner of the state. Sharma stated that the BJP and the NDA have ushered in a new era of good governance in the country. He further stated that BJP has given the country to Prime Minister Modi's third time is an unprecedented success for us. CM Sharma informed that the BJP NDA governments are in power in 21 states of the country. Extending his greetings on the party's Foundation Day, Sharma stated, "I congratulate the BJP National President JP Nanda and all the party workers who have worked for the party's success." The Chief Minister further expressed hope for the party's continuous growth, stating, "May the BJP be blessed and grow stronger to lead India on its path to becoming a global leader." Here is what Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sharma have stated.
हुए थे दो देश को प्रधानमंत्री देने में भारतीय जनता पार्टी सफल हुए हैं। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का तृतीय कार्यकाल हमारे लिए एक अभूतपूर्व सफलता है। आज देश का 21 प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी या एनडीए का शासन है। देश का 70% भूखंड में भारतीय जनता पार्टी या हमारे एनडीए ने सुशासन का एक नया परंपरा शुरू किए हैं। हमारे असम में भी आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक बहुत बड़ा लोकप्रियता हासिल करने में हमने सफल हुए हैं। आज प्रतिष्ठा दिवस का ये क्षण में मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जेपी नड्डा जी और हमारे तमाम कार्यकर्ता को मैं शुभ संदेश देता हूं और मैं यही भगवान को प्रार्थना करूंगा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को भगवान आशीर्वाद करे, शक्तिशाली करने के लिए हमें आशीर्वाद करे और भारत को विश्व गुरु बनाने का जो हमारे संकल्प है वो संकल्प कामयाब करने के लिए हमें प्रेरित करे, उत्साहित करे, हमें आशीर्वाद दे।
Yes, viewers, Guwahati today witnessed Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma commemorating the Bharatiya Janata Party's 46th Foundation Day, marking a significant milestone in the party's political trajectory. Sharma, addressing reporters, emphasized the BJP's growing influence and acceptance across Assam and India, acknowledging the party's sustained efforts in consolidating its base. Highlighting the party's rebirth standing with the state, Sharma articulated, "BJP has earned the trust of the people here as well, and we continue to strengthen our presence in every corner of the state." His statement underscored the party's strategic expansion and its deep-rooted connection with the local populace. Sharma further elaborated on the national impact of the BJP and the NDA asserting BJP has given the country to Prime Minister Modi's third term is an unprecedented success for us. He credited the alliance with ushering in a period of effective governance, emphasizing the party's pivotal role in shaping the nation's political landscape. In a statistic affirmation of the party's widespread dominance, the chief minister revealed that the BJP NDA governments are in power in 21 states of the country. This figure served to illustrate the party's extensive reach and its capacity to govern across a diverse spectrum of regions. Extending his felicitations on the occasion, Sharma conveyed, "I congratulate BJP National President JP Nanda and all the workers who have worked for the party's success." His message recognized the collective of the party's leadership and grassroots workers in achieving its current structure. Furthermore, concluding his address, Sharma expressed an optimistic vision for the party's future, stating, "May the BJP be blessed and grow stronger to lead India on its path to becoming a global leader." His words reflected a forward-looking perspective, anticipating the party's continued contribution to India's ascent on the global stage. Here is what once again Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sharma have stated.
हुए थे दो देश को प्रधानमंत्री देने में भारतीय जनता पार्टी सफल हुए है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का तृतीय कार्यकाल हमारे लिए एक अभूतपूर्व सफलता है। आज देश का 21 प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी या एनडीए का शासन है। देश का 70% भूखंड में भारतीय जनता पार्टी या हमारे एनडीए ने सुशासन का एक नया परंपरा शुरू किए है। हमारे असम में भी आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक बहुत बड़ा लोकप्रियता हासिल करने में हमने सफल हुए हैं। आज प्रतिष्ठा दिवस का ये क्षण में मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जेपी नड्डा जी और हमारे तमाम कार्यकर्ता को मैं शुभ संदेश देता हूं और मैं यही भगवान को प्रार्थना करूंगा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को भगवान आशीर्वाद करे, शक्तिशाली करने के लिए हमें आशीर्वाद करे और भारत को विश्व गुरु बनाने का जो हमारे संकल्प है वो संकल्प कामयाब करने के लिए हमें प्रेरित करे, उत्साहित करे, हमें आशीर्वाद दे। हुए थे दो देश।
That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NE.